extraordinary girl and welcome to Shippy Food Taste. Kung mapapansin mo, puro flour ako ngayon kasi favorite ko sa Talaya. So bubuhayin natin ang palaki charm. Bubuhayin natin yung 1990s si Talaya. So today I'm going to share with you how to make a powdered vegetable mix. So let's get started. So ito na yung mga sangkap natin. Ready na.
Hihiwain na natin yung carrots, dice, uniform pesos with the baggy beans, same size, cubes or dice. Ganun pa rin, same size ng ating ibang gulay. We have white onion, so the same. Chop it like a dice. Slice also garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. Also slice our breast chicken. We must dice it, same size of our vegetable, like that. So ito yung mga sangkap natin. 1 can of green peas, baggy beans, 1 piece of carrot, 2 pieces of breast chicken. So yung breast chicken natin, meron na yung paprika, salt, and pepper. Kailangan natin ng sweet corn, bell pepper, garlic, onion, butter, oyster sauce, liquid seasoning, Spanish paprika, ground black pepper, and oil. A little bit of oil. Add chicken breast.
So set aside. So add a little oil again. Add onion. Adjust your fire. Then add garlic. Add butter. Add bell pepper. I smell the butter. And add the carrots. And also baggy beans. Or green beans. Simple lang. It's easy to prepare. Gusto mo health yung mga nagda-diet. Then add the green peas. And also the corn. And wait in a minute. Lumabot ang mga vegetable natin. So add natin yung chicken. So add oyster sauce.
Seasoning. And ground black pepper. Then saute it. Easy.
Finished product na natin. Titikman na natin. Naka-plating na. So, mukhang mabango. Napakasaya lang. Yum. Looks yummy. Mabilis lang. Mga gustong healthy food dyan. Sarap. So, try this at home. Magugustuhan. So, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para update kayo lagi sa aking video na ina-upload. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. Gutom ako. Mahirap mag-isa. Kasi mente. Gusto ko pwesta tingnan. Ay, talay.